Hopefully you made good money when market crossed this level, because see, I recommended buy at this level and I told you that this will be your take profit target. Okay, anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY British Pound Japanese Yen for Monday 1st June. If you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP JPY and you can see that I'm in the 4 hours time frame right now. My favorite 4 hours time frame and probably the beloved and the most popular time frame in the Forex world. See, overall, if we look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. Okay, market is in beautiful uptrend. And when market was in uptrend, okay, then I told you that we need to focus on this particular portion, because see, overall the market is in uptrend, there is no doubt about it. Okay, but market was caught in a particular range and this was the range. So my analysis was simple. Okay, wait for the perfect opportunity or wait for the breakout. Okay, so when market broke this level, we got a good opportunity to make money. Okay, so right now market is way above the range, and right now we can see that market is trading above this range and trading between these two lines. And if you're wondering what these two lines are, then let me show you. Okay, let me show you. This is the weekly chart. Okay, and if you have watched my previous video, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis and I consult the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, okay, no doubt market is in beautiful uptrend, market is very bullish, but we can see that market has got resistance. Okay, market has got resistance at this level. Okay, and I have marked the resistance in the form of these two lines. And right now if we observe the market carefully, then we can see that market is just trading at the resistance right now. The market is just standing at the resistance zone. So this is our resistance. Then what should be a strategy then? Because market has already crossed this level. As we all know, market is an uptrend, and as I always say, we should always be trading. Okay, we should always be trading, uh, not against the trend, but with the trend. Always follow the trend. Then your possibility of making money from the market gets much higher. See, if you go ahead and short the market here right now, then probably after few hours again you'll see that market is trying to go up and your stop loss will hit. Therefore do not take risk. Okay, your best trading opportunity in this market will be wait for the market to come down. Okay, because see, market is coming down, trying to come down, and stochastic RSI is also in the overbought zone. So considering the resistance zone, this particular resistance zone and the overbought zone, you should wait. Okay, you should wait for the market to come down to your price. As I always say, you should not chase the market, let the price come to you. Do not chase the market. And if you're thinking about buying here, okay, if you're thinking about buying here seeing these two big candles, then you're making a big mistake, because if you go ahead and buy here right now, your stop loss will be here. Okay, this is your stop loss, and in no universe this is a good trade. Okay, so your best trading opportunity in this chart is, okay, wait for the market to come down. Okay, wait to this particular level. Okay, we have got two levels here, two best buy levels. First is this level, 153.77 level. Okay, when market will be coming down to take risk or retrace, or if stochastic RSI is an oversold zone, then just observe the price. Okay, if you see market taking support at this price level, 153.77 level, or taking support at the 50 moving average, this is the 50 moving average. See, this is 50 moving average is a dynamic support there. That's why I cannot give you the exact figure, but keep your eyes on 50 moving average also. So you have got two supports here, 50 MA and secondly 153.77. So let the price come to you. This is a uptrend market. So your area of value or the best trading opportunity will always be near the support. So wait for the market to come down to take your come down to your price level. So if price comes down to this level or takes support at this level, any of this level, just observe the price. If you see the price is taking support, price is being rejected from below, market is forming hammer kind of candlestick patterns, and market is ready to go up again or bouncing, market bouncing off, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, 50 moving average or this whatever, okay, any of this will be a valid support and you can go for a buy order. Okay, but do remember, do not trade right here or do not trade anywhere here. Wait for the market to come down to at least to the 50 moving average or to the 153.77 level. Okay, these two are the best trading opportunities or price levels for you right now. And the next best opportunity is wait for the market. Okay, wait for the market to cross this level. I cannot see. Anyways, let me write it down. Okay, wait for the market to cross this level. 156.50. Okay, you also need to keep your eyes on this level. In case market starts going up, okay, then also you do not need to trade in this zone. Okay, you do not need to trade until and unless market crosses this particular level, 156.50 level on the upside. I've already discussed about this support level. Now this is your next support level. You must be thinking, what are you talking? See, right now this is a resistance. Okay, this level is a resistance for us right now. But if market goes up, then let the market cross this level. When market will cross this level, wait for 4 hours, 6 hours, 3 hours and just observe the price. Try to study the price, try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is trading comfortably, price is not struggling, then you will get the confirmation that 156.50, which was a resistance, has become the support now, and then you can go for a buy order at this level, 156.50. Okay, so this is your next trading opportunity, but wait for the market to cross this level and trade comfortably. Let the market uh, make the resistance as the support. Let the resistance become the support, then only you should trade above this level, 156.50. So you have got two trading opportunities here, one at the support levels and secondly at the resistance level, which will become support later on. Okay, so these are the levels for you right now. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.